don't look great. Your hair is ugly.
Hey, what's happened to you?
Lauren is bullying me and she's saying bad words for me.
Why? Larin, come here please. Sit down. Look at me please. Look at the paper please. Say bad words to the paper please.
No one loves you. You are ugly. You smell bad. You are fat.
Okay, now I want both of you say sorry to the paper.
I am sorry. Sorry.
Is it the same as before?
No.
So that's why you can't say any bad words or insult others. Think twice before say any bad words to anyone, okay? It's clear now?
Yes.
Larin, say sorry.
Sorry. It's okay.